So what are the essential lessons learnt that you can share with us in terms of the destruction of the pest and also how it's been managed?
Yes, in Australia the Queensland fruit fly, it's been known about for over 100 years, and we've had systems of dealing with it, and what happened over the last 10 years or so has sort of put it all on its head, because it's actually acting differently from what we used to think about it. And that's probably one of the take-home messages, I think, that for BD, is that you really shouldn't expect it to die out in the cold, because we did with Queensland fruit fly, and it actually established itself in the much cooler climates. And that's probably one of the mistakes we made, is that in fact research had been done back in the 60s that showed the potential for it, but it was seemed to have forgotten because we didn't have that problem until just recently, and so the signs were there. And that's what I'd like to impart with the South Africans, is that read the signs. If flies are in areas or in fruit that they've never been seen before, don't disregard them as being an aberration. Treat them carefully and with consideration, and do something about it if it's possible. So we've had that problem in Australia, and we've regretted not being proactive on these sort of things.